Every morning, as the sun rises, our backyard comes alive with nature's beauty. Surrounded by birds and pollinators, we rediscover our purpose daily. What began as simple observation turned into a deep understanding of the essential roles these creatures play in our ecosystem. It's this understanding that we aim to share with others. Each feeder and bird bath we place is a small but vital step toward conservation. These tools turn backyards into havens where life flourishes with every seed and drop of water. At the heart of our work is the belief that appreciating nature leads to a richer, more fulfilling life. We're dedicated to educating the next generation, nurturing a mindful, connected community. As day turns to dusk, we're reminded of why we continue on this path. Join us in bringing nature closer to home with Wild Birds Unlimited of Dripping Springs.